Phi kwa kaliang ek mobile rim jong phi bat sim nak batmai wan sangi. Phi kwa ban di ek mobile rim jong phi wan sangi. Pidon kam ban pha sina yeki mobile jong phi wan sangi. Ka screen mobile jong phi kaladu Hendrik circuit kidang biang wan sangi. Wan ha charisma mobile repairing center kabadan hayo Bhoi Rumpong Ri Bhoi district. Chibun sin chibun wat laya keren laya tai ki nong jalam keseng NPP hang bajalam national president u Konrad ke Sangma hang thau jokren kam ke NPP legislator party chilang bagi woi ki nong jalam jong ki woi ki sen san perthai ki bakarchan ha ke NPP ha ke sarkar MDA-2 ha Meghalaya bha ang baji pentikna ha u Kyrtong jokhon election MP ha jin Dorbar Rajya Sabha hadin meladap jokren ban meladap jochimrai ki nong jalam te pentip ki ha ginong thok khubor u Konrad ke Sangma ha bakren bha ang bapentip palba halor u Kyrtong NPP ha jin Dorbar Rajya Sabha ong u balamanjur ba u jim speak ke Sangma ke NPP man u Khein u Kyrtong MP Rajya Sabha bat daira du kata henry u jim speak ke Sangma man u Khein u Kyrtong ke MDA kabamut bagi sensan partai gibe hapo ka kanhon Meghalaya Democratic Alliance la manjur ki ban kerchan hau jim speak ke Sangma Khein u Kyrtong Johmonlang Khein bapen kenmau long gede ka election MP Rajya Sabha Shillong ha ka khat pratrik unai tung 8,000 pohon ro bat u jim speak ke Sangma u Kyrtong ke NPP Meghalaya cili thap perdej u ha ka santrik u jerleu 8,000 pohon ro cucu ha kini kijingelang kini kinong jalam ke sarkar MDA-2 la imanjur ki ro bah ke election MP Lok Sabha chitin samoy kini parti ki beelang hapo ka kanhon senrop MDA-2 yarai ki bakini penjen Kyrtong selacung hi selaga parti.
Filing will be on the 5th of this month and at 2:30.
So, what about the whip?
Therefore, since we have all the constituents of the MDA here today, as mentioned in the resolution, that different political parties have expressed their desire to have their representative from their party as the nominee for the Rajya Sabha, and detailed discussions took place. That's why we took a lot of time. Detailed discussion took place, but at the end, since we could not come up with a consensus on different desires by different political parties, we came to a consensus, and we have all agreed together that we will go as per the kind of democratic process and allow the largest party's nominee to be backed, and therefore the fact that all the political parties who are present today, as you can see all are present, have formally agreed to that, and therefore the question of the whip coming in any other way does not arise. If the whip does come in, it will come in the language that the particular political parties' MLAs will support the candidature, which is the MDA-2's candidature. And I think what is important to note is that the candidature which we are proposing now is not a political party's candidature, but now this has been adopted as a resolution as the MDA-2's candidate.
One major item, which is the nomination and selection of candidate for the Rajya Sabha seat in the state of Meghalaya. So the resolutions adopted are as follows. Number one, the PP leaders, parliamentary party leaders, representing all constituents of the MDA-2 were briefed about the election scheduled to the Rajya Sabha for the state of Meghalaya on June 18, 2026, and the views of the NPP on the matter by both the national and the state president of the NPP. In the course of the discussions, members from the constituent units expressed their various points and indicated their willingness to have their party nominees selected and endorsed as official candidate of the MDA-2. 3. However, since the various parties had proposed various names of individuals belonging to the respective political parties, and there being no point of consensus on a single name, it was decided to follow the established convention of endorsing the proposal put forward by the largest constituent, that is the NPP, in order to ensure cohesion and unanimity on the basis of established parliamentary practice. 3. The meeting therefore unanimously endorsed the NPP's proposal for the candidature of Shri James P.K. Sangma as Rajya Sabha nominee representing the MDA-2. 5. However, respecting the wishes of the various constituent members of the MDA to allow the various parties to take their own call as far as by-elections to the Shillong parliamentary constituency is concerned, it was unanimously agreed that the parties are free to contest / support / stay neutral / stay away from the above by-election. 6. Since there was only one matter for consideration by the meeting today, the Honourable Leader of the Parliamentary Party of the MDA-2, Shri Conrad K. Sangma, thanked all members present and concluded the meeting with a formal request to all members to work unitedly to ensure the successful realization of the decisions of today's meeting.